Hi guys, it's Justin here. I'm going to show you one splash screen that you can get on your 3DS. There is different ways you can get it, like going on the internet and stuff. So let's get started. Alright, you had to push try to view it. So there it is. So here's the top of it. Here's the bottom of it. If you want to have the same splash screen on your 3DS or something like it, the link is below to get all the things for it. And if you want to know more, comment down below. And for one thing, last thing I'm going to say, don't remember to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.